Here at Lloyd Select Kelso, we are pleased to present this Jaguar F-Pace 2-litre diesel R Sport, finished in Caesium Blue metallic paint with 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include black exterior pack, automatic xenon headlights, front fog lights, power folding heated door mirrors, sliding panoramic roof, privacy glass, and on the tailgate we have the rear camera. As we enter now beneath the powered tailgate, you can see the load space with the chrome tread plates, 40/20/40 rear folding seats, and the parcel shelf. Entering into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the panoramic roof from the inside. We have the ebony grained leather seats with ISOFIX child seat mounts, and on the centre console we can see the rear climate vents and rear heated seat buttons. Entering into the front of the cabin now, we can see the Meridian sound system badge on the door card as we turn into view the electric heated front seats. As we turn now to the multifunction steering wheel, we have the cruise control and the heated steering wheel, the interactive driver display, and the hands-free mobile controls. On the touch display we can see the satellite navigation. We also have the heated seat controls and the rear camera display. On the centre console we can see the climate controls with the CD player, and we have the rotary gear selector. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.